You didn't lose your focus, it was stolen. Piece by piece, every scroll, every ping, every meaningless thought disguised as important. Now you can't sit still with your own mind for 10 minutes without reaching for something to distract you. But your brain isn't broken. It's just overloaded. And in the next 3 days, you can reset it. If you're willing to do what most people never will. Most people think lack of focus is a discipline problem. It's not. It's an addiction to noise. Your brain's been hijacked by constant microdopamine hits. Messages, short videos, random notifications that feed your emotions, but starve your intelligence. You've trained your mind to crave stimulation, not depth. So every time you try to focus, it rebels. It starts searching for chaos. But if you starve that chaos, you can rebuild your system from the ground up. And that's what we'll do in just 3 days. Day 1, you're not improving your focus. You're cleansing it. Cut the noise, every unnecessary input goes. No notifications, no random scrolling, no filler music. Silence will feel uncomfortable. That's withdrawal. Your brain will scream for distraction. Ignore it. By evening, your thoughts will begin to slow. You'll hear the quiet between them. That's not boredom. That's clarity returning. Most people run from that silence. You sit in it until your mind obeys again. Day 2 is reconstruction. Your goal. Teach your brain to hold a single thought. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Pick one task. No switching, no music, no phone. During those 25 minutes, your brain will fight back. You'll crave escape, comfort, distraction, anything to stop the work. But every time you resist, you're rebuilding the muscle of focus. Focus isn't about trying harder. It's about control. And control isn't about effort. It's about ownership. Own your mind or something else will. Most people stop here and relapse because they never reset their reward system. Your brain doesn't chase what's meaningful. It chases what's familiar. And if familiar still means noise, you'll always go back. So on day 3, rewire it. Every time you complete deep work, reading, studying, learning, reward yourself after, not before. Let the work itself become the source of dopamine. When you do this long enough, distractions lose their flavor. Scrolling feels dull, and peace starts to feel powerful again. That's how you know you've taken your mind back. Most people will never get here. They'll spend their lives overstimulated, overreactive, and underfulfilled, chasing cheap dopamine in a digital maze. But not you. You're learning to step outside the noise. You're rebuilding your power. A focused mind is a dangerous thing, because once you can direct your attention at will, you become unstoppable. So take 3 days, reset your mind, and when the world comes running for your attention again, just smile, stay silent, and let them wonder how you became untouchable. So take 3 days, reset your mind, and when the world comes running for your attention again, just smile, stay silent, and let them wonder how you became untouchable.